Okay, so I just wanted to show everyone a picture of my first gun. It's a Taurus G2C. Um, it didn't cost any more than $400, including this extendo. It doesn't come with it, but it was like really cheap. So I was like, why not? It's really good for the gun range. It shoots out like 30 rounds. The two mags that come with it shoots out like 12, but it's a really good deal, and I felt like it was small. The bad thing about it is I'm left-handed, so yeah, but I'll make it do what it do. I tried to use this gun when I went to the gun range last week, the day after, but there was some issue with the bullet, so I couldn't even use it. I shot it 3 times, but I will say it had a lot of kickback with it. Or maybe it's just because I'm small, but we'll see today because I'm going to the gun range again. Okay, so look, I'll show you the gun without the extendo. 1 second. Don't judge this room. It's just a storage room in the studio. Yeah, 1 second. Okay, so yeah, this is my baby. Pretty cool. I doubt anything's in it, but I don't even want to try it. Never know these days. Freaking Final Destination. But we're gonna see. Let's hope I don't get a fucked up bullet today, so I can have fun with my little baby. Yeah, first gun, Taurus G2C. I'll show you more in the car. Better camera, better lighting. Hey guys, I'm back. Just want to show that I'm on the way to the gun range. We're about to test this baby out. I'm going to show you guys some clips. I'm going to show you how it shoots. I'm going to show you how much I move when it shoots. Show you everything that I can show you, that I'm allowed to show you, because we don't know how it is, if I can record, but I'm pretty sure I can. I always see pictures of things, and there's no bullets in here. So if you see me pointing this gun all kind of ways, don't do that. You know, don't follow what I'm doing. This is not cool. But yeah. Always strapped with it, club. Yeah.
I ain't got nowhere to go. I shot up everywhere they was. Yeah, you know who took that shit from you. Come get it, baby. Make sure you